Tired of confusing tools and dull knives that don't cut? Now there's the Mini AmphiBlast, the amazing portable abrasive blaster that can blast wet or dry and cut through pumpkin skin like it's not even there. Blast wet or dry, you decide. Want a different size nozzle? No problem. With the Mini AmphiBlast, you don't have to be a pro. Just set it and forget it. Old carving tools are such a bore. But wait, there's more. The Mini AmphiBlast is available with or without the onboard water tank. All your carving needs that won't break the bank. The Mini AmphiBlast is available from Schmidt Manufacturing.